public speaker like my deceased husband, so I have written my remarks. I first met Wayne Nelson in 1969. My first recollection was of Wayne telling Art Marshall how to make a speech. Art's wife was so upset she cried. That was pre-AA days. Wayne Nelson was well-read, articulate, dedicated, tenacious, effective. The press loved him. He was always good for a quote. He was a fire eater. He was also irascible, cantankerous, irritating, and maddening. But he was also the most effective advocate for Lake Okeechobee. For 18 years, the Florida Wildlife Federation office was in my house, and Wayne was a frequent visitor. I remember some great times, and I also remember some pretty heavy discussions. I even remember my asking him to leave several times. Last fall, he sent me a card, and he signed it, "Love, Wayne." It made me smile. The last time I spoke to him, he really chewed me out. I deserved it, but it made me cry. I couldn't believe after 40-odd years, Wayne could still make me cry. Wayne, you have certainly fought the good fight. If the lake is saved, it will be in large part due to your dedication and hard work. The people of Florida owe you a great debt, and I am proud to have been your friend for these many years. In spite of poor health, you continued to fight for what you knew to be the right thing for Lake Okeechobee. Godspeed, my friend.